Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss a reminder alert system based on Google Sheets. Basically, it's just a Google Sheets template but has advanced alert capabilities through the integration of the Twilio service. It can be used for various purposes, like reminders for deadlines, appointments, social events, bill payments, renewal deadlines, and deadlines for applications. These are some of the scenarios, but they're generic and can be used for any kind of reminder you need. This supports various alert types, like SMS, calls, and WhatsApp messages. You can choose whatever alert you want on the sheet. These alert services are provided by the Twilio service, which we need to integrate into this sheet. Before getting started with the Alertmate, we need to create a Twilio account. Go to www.twilio.com and create an account. Sign up by providing basic details like your name, email, and password. Agree to the terms of service and click Continue. Now log into your account by providing the email ID that was used to create your account in Twilio. In the next window, give your password and authenticate. If you enabled two-factor authentication, you may further verify your identity by providing an OTP sent to your registered phone number. In Twilio, you need to buy a phone number in order to send and receive SMS and calls. Choose your country, phone number, and capabilities like SMS, voice, MMS, fax, etc. There is a monthly payment required for a phone number. Buy a number and go to the next step. On the homepage of Twilio, you can find the account information section by scrolling down. Note down those credentials, like the account SID, authentication token, and your Twilio phone number, that need to be set on the alert sheet for the integration. After buying Alertmate, you will get a copy of the Alertmate template sheet. Make a copy of this file, and now you can start to configure your Alertmate. Click on the Credentials menu. As discussed earlier, we need to set up Twilio credentials here. First of all, click on the Set Twilio Auth Token button. You need to authorize it in order to proceed with further steps. Now provide the authentication token from Twilio. And click OK. It shows a success message like this. And likewise set other credentials information like SID and phone number. And refresh the sheet once again. If all credentials have been successfully set, you can check the credentials menu once again and verify that all set options have been changed to delete options. Now go to the Config tab of the sheet. Here, we need to configure the time zone of our country. But when you enter the time zone, add an apostrophe before entering the time zone. Now go to the Templates tab and create templates for alerts. You can create any message that is used when sending an alert. Here are 3 variables available that can be used to replace dynamic content from the alert sheet. The variable reminder will replace the reminder name in the Google Sheet. The days will replace due days. The date variable will replace the alert date of the reminder. Create your template based on your convenience and give a template name that you choose while setting up a reminder. But there is an additional thing you need to do if you want to create a template for WhatsApp message alerts. You need to set up the same template within the Twilio console as well. Log into Twilio and go to the Develop tab. There is a messaging option you can find out about. There is a content template builder you can see. There, create a new template, the same as the one created in the Alertmate sheet, and put placeholders for variables as per the Twilio documentation, like a double curly bracket with the index position of the variable. Here you can see that 1 is the placeholder for the reminder variable in the Alertmate template, and the same is true for other variables too. Give a sample value for each variable within the given input boxes. Once you create a template in Twilio, it needs approval and may take up to 24 hours. Now again, go to the alert sheet and start adding your reminders within the Reminder Alerts tab. There are several examples of rows that you can delete, except the first one. Because you need to copy and paste these rows and edit further. Give the reminder name, expiration date, renewal period, and alert phone number. For each alert, there are 7 different conditions that can be set for each reminder. A1 to A7 are different alerts that you can configure if you want. Each alert has to be set by providing the template name from the drop-down, the number of days before the alert date and the time of the alert selected from the drop-down menu. You don't need to do anything in the status column. It indicates the number of times these alerts are sent after each renewal. And finally, one more step to enable your alerts. You need to configure triggers in order to check whether the alerts need to be invoked based on your preferences. Click on the Extensions menu, then open the app script page. On the left side menu, go to Triggers. Click on the Add Trigger button and add a trigger. Set Send Alerts as the function and choose a time-driven event source. Then select a minute-based trigger and select a preferable interval to check alerts. Save it, that's all. You are done with everything. I hope you enjoyed this alert template and this guide. For more details, check the official website of the Alertmate. Thank you.